Feeling frustrated by missing important calls when your Samsung phone is set to Do Not Disturb mode? Don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, I'll guide you through allowing specific contacts to reach you even when your phone is in Do Not Disturb mode. Let's get right into it. First, open your phone settings. Next, scroll down a bit. Then, tap on Notifications. Scroll down once more. Now, tap on Do Not Disturb. Scroll down again. Once you reach the bottom, then tap on Calls and Messages. After that, tap on Add Contacts. Next, pick the contacts you want to hear from while Do Not Disturb is active. For example, I'm just going to choose someone from my list. Then, tap Done at the bottom of the screen. That's it! Now, you have set it up so that those contacts can call or message you even when your phone is set to Do Not Disturb. And there you go! Now you know how to let certain contacts get through to you during Do Not Disturb mode on your Samsung phone. If you have any questions or need further help, just drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and catch you next time!